Hi, I'm Bridget Trosten with Washington Sea Grant. We're standing here at the Port of Everett to take a look at king tides. King tides are the highest tides of the year. They occur when the gravitational pull is amplified. Ordinary tides are caused by the gravitational pull between the Earth and the Moon. King tides happen when a variety of astronomical events amplify that pull. One way tides are amplified is when the Earth is closest to the Sun in its orbit. That's a position called perihelion, which happens in January. This means that king tides typically occur in our Washington winter, though the exact date of the highest tides varies by region within the state. The tides can also be pulled even higher when the Moon's monthly orbit is closest to Earth, and when the Sun, Moon, and Earth align during a full or a new moon. We use king tides to communicate sea level rise. King tides help us understand how high water levels affect our shorelines and affect our coastal infrastructure. Sea level rise will cause greater flooding and coastal erosion, both of which can damage our coastal communities and our coastal infrastructure that we rely upon. Scientists project that there will be 0.8 feet of sea level rise by the year 2050 here in Everett. You can help us better understand how these high water levels affect our shorelines by taking pictures and submitting them through the MyCoast app. The MyCoast app can be found in your app store. You can go online to the Washington Sea Grant website to view our king tides calendar, where you can see all of the king tides from around the state. Scientists and planners use the photos to better understand what areas of our shoreline experience flooding and erosion. They also use the photos to ground truth models. We do ask that when you come out to take photos that you use caution. Watch out for rogue waves and slippery surfaces. We hope to see you out here.